Here's a sewing machine we have in stock. By the way, it's great for interior decor or for work. For those interested, take a look. 350 rubles for the machine. Belarusian prices in Belarusian rubles here. A brass basin like this, 54 in diameter. 150 rubles for the basin. A samovar like this, doesn't leak. Capacity of 6 to 7 liters. It has medals like these. A samovar from the Tsarist era by Batashev. The price will be 450 Belarusian rubles. Well, we'll give a small discount for subscribers. All of this can be purchased at Surganova 29.